Hello everyone friends, in this video I will explain how to trade using the MetaTrader5 app on your mobile phone. You need to have an exchange where you will be trading, either a broker or you can use the Bybit exchange as your broker. If you don't have a Bybit account, go to the description below, follow the link and register. Go to the App Store and type in MetaTrader5. This is what it looks like. I already have it downloaded, so I tap open. Next, you just need to connect your existing Bybit account. Open the app and select the Bybit Live server. That's the one I have selected. Your login is your account number that you created and the password is the one you set up. So we've connected to the terminal. At the bottom we have options to switch between panels. These are quotes, chart, trade and history. Let's start with quotes, step by step. In the quotes section you can select any currency pair you want to trade with. If a certain pair is missing, to add it you need to select this line at the top, choose everything you need, for example Forex. To add this pair, select the green plus sign, go back, and at the bottom you'll see that this currency pair has been added to your quotes. If you want to delete something, just select that pair, swipe slightly to the left and choose the trash bin. And to trade this currency pair, that is to bring it up on the chart, you need to select it and press chart. At the top left, we can choose any time frame. Right in the moment, yes, to open a trade at the market price we see, we have sell at the top left and buy at the top right. So we can zoom in a little. That is, we can open a buy order right in the moment. We immediately select this trade on the chart and a special menu appears at the bottom where we can set a stop loss and a green take profit. Here is the green take profit, arrow to the right. So we confirm this trade, and if you want to increase the density, here in the middle at the top we can put 0.5, say hundredths. And to view this trade you go to the trading section. There you go. So this trade here, we'll just close it now. And here is the trade that we opened. And here as well are the pending orders that we have set up from. To open a pending order, at the top right you see there's a clock icon, select it, and here is the pending order. If we go below the current price, we will have accordingly a pending buy order. If above, then it will be a pending sell order. Well, for example, let's set it like this. Right here, you can also set stop loss and take profit and confirm this. At the top, we have three icons. The first one is a plus sign, which is simply to view the price value. Click the plus sign again to remove it. The second one is indicators. That is, we can select any indicators we need. And next we have options for objects to draw with. To delete, you just need to go back there, select the line, or rather swipe it to the left and delete it. Let's go back. In this way we can trade on the Forex market and on the Bybit exchange using a phone. Be sure to subscribe to this channel and give it a like. We will also be making a lot of useful content for you.